Today I'm trying out a flavor that I normally don't appreciate at all, but then again it's Sleep Token, and if Sleep Token releases a new song entitled Caramel, what other choice do I have than to do a reaction video? I'm expecting nothing less than the best of Sleep Token and the most innovative stuff I have heard so far, because the last song, Emergence, was already mind-blowing on some terms. And I finally got some time. Yeah, by the time I'm recording this, it's probably a week, maybe a bit more, since they released the song. It's got, obviously, the hype train is on the run. The new record is on the horizon, even in Arcadia. So, without further ado, what else do you want me to say? Let's see what vessel has come up this time. Oh, funny, my hair. But hey, that's how it is. Fashion and hair, basically, is not always in accordance with the music. Never mind. Let's go. Sleep Token, Caramel. Obviously not what I expected, but then again, what to expect with these fellas, right?
Count me out like sirens, pay back for the good times. Right foot in the roses, left foot on a landmine. I'm not gonna be there, tripping on the grapevine. They can sing the words while I cry into the baseline. Wear me out like Prada, devil in my detail. I swear it's getting harder.
Okay. Reggaeton, kind of. Okay, I was not expecting that at all. Ah, the melodies, dude. The lyrics, man. Ooh, the chunk. What? We are getting blast beats? Seriously?
The stage is a prison, a beautiful nightmare, a war of attrition. I'll take what I'm given, the deepest incisions. I thought I got better, but maybe I didn't.
What was that? Wow, that had everything again that I did not expect of Sleep Token. Seriously interesting mix with the reggaeton kind of vibe, with the the blast beats. I mean, come on. How are they doing this? It's always the same with these fellas. They are quiet for some time, then they suddenly re-emerge, haha, right? And then they just drop banger after banger, and it's never the same, and it's always different, and it's always freaking innovative. And I mean, some of you out there must agree, when they released Take Me Back to Eden was like, okay, this is probably peak. Well, guess again, this might be the new peak of Sleep Token, and it for sure will be if whatever is on the record is as good as these two songs. Wow, I have to go through that song again. It's so a lot of lyrics, a lot of like meaningful stuff, and yeah, Vessel seems kind of like hurt to some extent, so we need to do some research for that. Yeah, I mean, that's it for today. Again, that was Sleep Token Caramel. Damn, I have to go through that song again, at least a few. This will be one of the records to watch out, obviously, pretty obviously. But then again, even for those who are not into these kind of weird mixtures with the djenty parts and the hip-hop notes or reggaeton, honestly, this is as modern as it gets. This is the metal music of today and of tomorrow, basically. So check it out and like and subscribe. Check out Sleep Token for those who have, by some weird coincidence, never heard the band. And we see each other very soon. Until then, bye-bye.